That is gluten-free cheese sauce made. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're going to make a gluten-free cheese sauce. Very easy to make for all those people who have an intolerance. Pan on, milk in. Put as much milk in as you're going to use, probably about 500 milliliters. Start to heat up your milk. This is completely ridiculously easy to make this. Heat up your milk, add 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Stir in, no lumps. Only takes a second, there won't be any lumps. The corn flour will dissolve in there. Okay, nice little stir around. Season to taste. If you want to put some pepper in, put it in. If you want to put salt in, put salt in. Up to you. This will naturally start to thicken because of the corn flour. Now you can start to feel it thickening. It goes from a loose mix to, I'm not going to say thick mix, but it goes like a glossy type mix when it starts, and that's what you can feel. You get used to feeling. You can feel it all the way through the whisk. Now the thing we're using corn flour will thicken very quickly. It's thickening now, so now we have to watch it. We're going to take it too far. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Right, that is now bordering on being too thick to do anything with. So what you do, you chuck in a bit more milk. You loosen it up, and then we're back to a lovely sauce. And then because we're making a cheese sauce in there with some cheese, stir it through and let it do its thing. The cheese will melt and you will have a nice thick cheesy sauce. There you go. How easy is that? There you go. Flame off. That is gluten-free cheese sauce made. So there you are. Tell all your friends that are gluten intolerant, you can make a cheese sauce. That is a perfect gluten-free cheese sauce. If you like what we're doing, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring the bell, and we'll catch you in the next video.